vs lag and FPS drop fix. Error, Invincible vs low FPS stuttering lag issue. Step 1. Restart the game in PC. Close the game completely. Restart your computer properly. Launch the game again after reboot. Temporary memory issues can cause lag. Step 2. Lower in-game graphic settings. Open game settings. Reduce shadows, textures, and effects. Disable motion blur if available. Apply settings and restart the game. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software. Check for latest GPU driver updates. Install the newest version. Restart the PC afterward. Step 4. Close background applications. Close browsers and unnecessary apps. Stop downloads running in background. Disable recording software temporarily. Free RAM and CPU usage before gaming. Step 5. Enable high performance mode. Open Windows power settings. Select high performance mode. Plug in laptop charger if using laptop. Better power usage improves FPS. Step 6. Disable overlays. Turn off Discord overlay. Disable Steam overlay. Close FPS counters or RGB software. Relaunch the game after disabling them. Step 7. Verify game files. Open Steam or Game Launcher. Repair or verify game files. Replace corrupted or missing files. Start the game again afterward. Step 8. Reduce screen resolution. Lower the game resolution slightly. Use full screen mode instead of borderless. Apply changes and test FPS. Lower resolution can stabilize gameplay. Step 9. Clear temporary files. Remove unnecessary temporary files from Windows. Free up storage space on SSD HDD. Restart the computer afterward. Storage issues can affect performance. Step 10. Reinstall the game. Uninstall Invincible VS completely. Delete leftover game files. Install the game again cleanly. Launch with default settings first.